Are you sitting down? You better be, because the arrival of GPT-5 is about to shake the world to its core. But with Elon Musk raising the alarm bells, it's starting to sound like a plot from a sci-fi movie. Will GPT-5 bring about the end of humanity as we know it, or will we finally get the robot butlers we've been promised for decades? Buckle up, because we are going to find out. ChatGPT-5 may outsmart humans. We're about to enter the age of AI like never before. Siki Chen's claims that ChatGPT-5 will achieve AGI has sent shockwaves through the tech industry, and for good reason. GPT-5 is speculated to be the Usain Bolt of language models compared to its predecessor GPT-4. This groundbreaking language model is so advanced it can understand human emotions better than your emotionally unavailable ex. OpenAI has already been sprinting forward in AI development, leaving us in the dust like we're on a tricycle while they're driving a Tesla. We all remember ChatGPT-3, the AI chatbot that took the world by storm with its natural language processing abilities. But now, ChatGPT-4 has taken things to the next level. Not only can it pass high school tests and law school exams with flying colors, but it can also understand pictures uploaded by users. This kind of massive user adoption is a sure sign that ChatGPT is set to make a huge impact on the world. And we can only imagine what will happen with GPT-5. This bad boy is going to text, image, and potentially even video. I mean, we'll practically be able to have a full conversation with our phones. We can only hope that it won't judge us for all those memes we send in group chats. With the power of ChatGPT plugins and AGI, GPT-5 will be able to do some seriously amazing things. You can set an objective for it and then let it loose. It will create its own task list and execute each one in order, all while reprioritizing as needed. And let's not forget about those plugins. ChatGPT-5 will be able to tap into a vast array of tools and resources, making it even more powerful and versatile than ever before. It's like having an entire team of virtual assistants at your fingertips. And the release date for GPT-5 is coming up fast, scheduled to complete training this December with hopes of achieving AGI soon after. But what is AGI? AGI is like the holy grail of AI development. We're talking about machines that can match or even surpass human intelligence in every aspect. Though AGI isn't a reality yet, we already have some pretty cool narrow AI systems that can do mind-boggling stuff. Just look at IBM's Watson supercomputer, capable of doing complex calculations and simulations that would make a regular computer blush. And then there are expert systems that can mimic human judgment and predict molecular structures. Heck, we even have self-driving cars that can recognize and avoid other vehicles and pedestrians on the road. That's the kind of stuff we're talking about here. It's like the machines are finally catching up to us puny humans, and it's both exciting and a little scary. Here's why. You may lose your job. Goldman Sachs economists have predicted that the newest wave of artificial intelligence, including the likes of ChatGPT, could result in as many as 300 million full-time jobs being automated worldwide. That's right, robots are coming for your job. According to the report, up to 18% of work globally could be computerized, with those in advanced economies feeling the brunt of the impact. And sorry to all you white-collar workers out there, but you're the most at risk. Administrative workers and lawyers are expected to be hit the hardest, while those in physically demanding or outdoor occupations may be able to breathe a sigh of relief. For now, in the US and Europe, 2/3 of current jobs are exposed to some level of AI automation, and up to a quarter of all work could be done by AI completely. And if generative artificial intelligence, the fancy named villain, delivers on its promised capabilities, the labor market is in for a rude awakening. But there is a glimmer of hope. The Goldman Sachs economists did offer a semblance of hope, stating that historically, technological innovation that initially displaces workers has also created employment growth over the long haul. We can't tell how long we are talking about though. Goldman Sachs has gazed into their crystal ball and seen a future where AI adoption leads to a 7% annual boost in global GDP over the course of a decade. In this brave new world, many workers will be partially exposed to AI automation, but fear not. The researchers are optimistic that this newfound free time will be redirected towards productive activities, resulting in increased output. So, while robots take over up to 50% of American workers' workloads, the rest of us can sit back and enjoy the productivity boom that will surely follow. Unless... But Musk & Co. aren't having any of it. It looks like the AI takeover might have to wait just a little bit longer. Tech luminaries, including Elon Musk, have called for a temporary halt to the development of the most powerful AI systems, citing profound risks to society and humanity. It seems like even Tony Stark's alter ego is not immune to the fear of Skynet taking over. The Future of Life Institute, a non-profit organization backed by Musk, published a letter urging AI labs to pause force training on systems more powerful than GPT-4. Apparently, AI technology is becoming so advanced that even the creators can't understand, predict, or reliably control these digital minds, just the way most of us can't find the funny in Adam Sandler's movies. Maybe these tech bigwigs are a little slow, that's all. The letter comes just weeks after OpenAI announced their latest creation, GPT-4. This thing is so powerful, it can make Elon Musk and his pals break a sweat. Maybe they've been watching too much Terminator. The letter also calls for independent experts to develop a set of shared protocols for AI tools that are safe beyond a reasonable doubt, because nothing says safe like a bunch of tech pros who couldn't get a date to prom developing protocols. But hey, who needs reasonable doubt when you have algorithms and data? They're concerned about the lack of planning and management in the development of these powerful AI systems. They believe that the labs are racing each other to create super intelligent digital beings that will be so advanced that even the people who made them won't fully understand, predict, or control them. If the call for a pause isn't heeded, the letter says that governments should step in and create a moratorium. So, let us get this straight. When engineers create an autopilot car, it's called innovation. But when they make something smarter than your decision to give everyone a blue tick, suddenly it's a safety concern? While there may be concerns about job displacement and the potential impact on society, a wise man once said that the future's not set in stone, and we can make our own destiny. If you know, you know. Ultimately, only time will tell the impact that GPT-5 will have on our lives, but one thing is for sure, the future is full of exciting possibilities. Do you think AI developments should be halted? Join the discussion in the comments. See you next time.